So who we are is ThinAiR Technologies. So we're a company based in Vancouver. We just started this company last year, and it's led by a team of 5 brothers, myself and 4 of my brothers. There's actually 6 of us total, but we are focused on creating augmented reality apps, mobile apps in particular. We also do in-house presentation center apps that can be done for interactive use in sales suites for real estate development. We're currently using a variety of technologies to create this augmented reality environment and experience, and we are looking at moving into virtual reality as well soon in the future. Just want to give you an idea of a case study that we put together. We recently finished a development program with a large firm in Surrey, BC, Westone Properties. We were brought in by the marketing team, Platinum Project Marketing. They asked us to put together our technology in a way that they could use it to help with the pre-sale program that they're putting together. And what we did was we created 3 different apps, one that runs on mobile devices, phones and tablets, etc. One that runs on a localized tablet setup in the sales center, and also one that uses a mini PC with TV setup, which I'll show you in a second, in the sales center as well. As you can see, there's 406 units in this project, and when they invited us to be part of the project, we really had no idea what the impact was going to be on the project. We thought it was a great idea, but we were a little bit nervous about the whole thing. Let me just jump ahead here. Basically what we did was we created 3D dollhouses, what we call dollhouses, where you basically cut the top off a unit, show all the walls, all the fixtures and features of a unit, furniture, etc., in a 3D environment. And we allowed people to be able to view these things through their phone, these dollhouses, through their phones by looking at a target marker, what we call a target marker, and it presents the item or the object in 3D on their desktop, on their desk, I should say, and allows them to see it in full 360-degree views. We did the same with the full-scale building on their desk as well. And if you actually go to the site, you can look at the site itself and using GPS technology, you can see the building in full 40-story scale right there in front of on your devices. Let me just see. We have a video here that I can show you that shows the vertical TVs that we use in the sales center. Basically what we did was, typically you have a 2-dimensional unit plan on one of these screens. What we did was we added a webcam and a mini PC that allows people to see the dollhouse view. Oops. How do I play this video? Well, should it not play?
These markers will help guide you through the sales experience at Evolve. If you hold it in front of the screen behind me, it'll immediately read it and give you a 3D version of the tower. If I turn it around, I get to see what a 1-bedroom suite looks like from all different angles.
Okay, this is a little jumpy, but basically it allows the pre-sale buyer to preview the unit that they want in full 3D, gives them a better perspective of what they're going to be putting their money into, basically. And what ended up happening was, let's skip this. This also, sorry, I'll step here for a second. We also created higher quality 3D spherical renders that we call them, and this allows them to hold their device and spin around. Will this video play as well? Just gives them a better perspective in higher quality render to see the views, etc., through their device as well. This is what I was talking about, being out on site and being able to see the full building in full scale. Basically, the result was, down the street, there was a building very similar to this one that was put up, and they had a grand opening, and on that grand opening day, they sold a grand total of 9 units. After a 12-week promotional program using our technology, being able to show a lot more people the product. On their opening day on this particular project, they were able to sell 262 units in one day, which totaled about $60 million worth of real estate. And we believe that our product was very sort of essential in the process of this. And we feel very confident that there's many other uses for it. And we think that being able to use it in the design process earlier on will be definitely something that we're looking forward to using it in the future. And like I said, we're ThinAiR, and we'd like to talk to you about what we can do to help you move your projects forward. Thank you.